Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, Toyota Tundra 2013. Sometime when you start the car start and run, and sometime it will not. Okay, so if you notice here, this car is start and run fine. After the complete diagnosis, you have a code for security, and after the complete diagnosis and go up and down and check all this car, we found that there is a problem with the immobilizer antenna, immobilizer unit. And this is the immobilizer unit. The wire from the one that behind the steering column, behind here, the module that is here, or the antenna that here, the wire leave this place and they come in here, and there is a communication between here and the engine computer. So the customer get new one from the dealer with a brand new key. So we're gonna put these two, and we have to follow out how we can synchronize it or program it. So stay with us right now. I'm gonna turn the ignition off, and I'm gonna disconnect this one. I need some help here. Okay, let me stop the video and then take it out. Okay, I put this piece here. No, I'm gonna try to put the original one to program it. This one, right?
Yeah,
this is brand new one.
Original, that's key brand new.
Yeah, we're gonna use only one to at least to avoid problem, right? We're gonna put this one, and then we try to program it, and then we take it from the because we don't know what is the problem is exactly, but at least we try to narrow down the problem. Maybe the antenna have an issue. You know, we have antenna on the neck of the. You have any idea there?
I never check it.
The antenna. We have antenna too sometimes. And what code was that?
P1604.
1604. What did it say 1604? What the?
But it comes up with a bunch of issues.
Okay, so let's try to narrow down this one here. Sometimes the antenna, no flood is
no fuel.
No flood history, right? No flood history.
No.
Okay, let me answer this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one here. Try to see which one need to be done. We already changed the module, so I gotta go to Immobilizer and see what is the requirement. Immobilizer. Okay, this is 4D68, 5 to 15. One master key is needed to erase. Okay. I don't want to do that. Let me connect it first. This is 2013, so it's G. 2011 to 15. Okay, you see here, reset immo all key lost, replace immobilizer ECU. So let me go to this one here. Remove the key within 120 seconds. Insert new key you wish to program. Okay. Is that the way it is? Let me see. You see, stay completely there. Switch ignition on to off 5 times. Quick. Wow. It's okay. I'm gonna say okay. You see, let me see what's gonna happen. Look here. It stays steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's good. Now, let me see if I can start it. Wow, that's beautiful. So, uh-oh, we have a problem now. The car gonna shut off. Let me see why. The car shut off by itself. So it's not a key problem. Let me see the everything. Do we need to jump the immobilizer ECU for more than 5 seconds? I don't know. Let me take the ignition on and wait. Replace immobilizer ECU. Maybe I have to jump pin 13 and 4 for more than 35 minutes, 40 minutes. Let me look at that. To reset it, okay? So let me go through that. 35 seconds, 45. Okay, no problem. Where is the piece? So disconnect this one here. I'm gonna have this one connected here to the ground. And now this is a ground. I'm gonna go to pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and pin 4, pin 13 is here. That's ground. That was supposed to be. So now let me see. Turn the ignition off, on, leave everything play like this. For how long? By the way, look here. This is the ground. And this is a pin 13. Pin 13 is just on the top of the clips. Look at it good. That's pin 13. How long? 45 minutes. To see if it's gonna work after that. If it's not, the security is on. I'm gonna put my micro system and then see what's gonna happen. Maybe this car, is that what happened in the car? The car started and shut off suddenly? Oh, no. That's not you? No. Okay, you know what I need to do now?
What's that?
It looks like I know the problem in this car. Okay, I'm gonna go to timer. I'm gonna go to 45 minutes. That's okay. Start.
So can you take the program?
I put the new one only. I program only the new one. I don't wanna. But this car, when it starts, it shut off just suddenly, like whoop, like this.
No, sometimes it work good, and when it's ready, it go crazy.
No, like it started. It worked like how long? Like 1 second and shut off.
No. Sometimes it work, and when it's ready, it just go crazy.
When you say go crazy, what is it?
Just won't start. It cranks.
Crank no start. Not even start for 5 seconds and shut off.
Nah.
Okay. Right now we're gonna wait. I already programmed the key, and I want to reset the immobilizer between the immobilizer and engine computer, and then we take it from there. Okay, so we're gonna come back after 45 minutes. We're gonna start it. I believe the engine computer will recognize the module, which is here, and then we take it from there. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. And what that code was?
Gone.
Okay, that's okay. I will get it. I will get the code later. Okay, here is the system. This is the car. Hopefully nothing is there to make this car crazy. I love this car. Yes.
Yo. I don't know where.
Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. And we're still doing some work and see what's gonna happen.
Where's that guy?
They get a ride, call the guy and see if he could give me a ride over there to pick it up.